Ever thought about the significance of building generational wealth? It's a question that may not cross your mind daily, but it's one that has the potential to shape the lives of your descendants for generations to come.
Welcome to another dose of Empire, where we share to elevate and inspire. Today, we are breaking down part 2 of generational wealth. If you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button. Your support means a lot. Without further ado, Johnny, tell us more.
The fifth reason is less financial stress. Imagine a life where the looming shadow of financial concerns doesn't darken your every thought. Having a financial safety net, thanks to generational wealth, can significantly reduce stress and anxiety linked to monetary matters. This isn't just about comfort, it's about health. We know that chronic stress can lead to physical and mental health issues, so reducing financial stress can genuinely contribute to better overall health for family members. Generational wealth can provide peace of mind that is priceless. The sixth reason is to create a legacy and strengthen family bonding. Building generational wealth, you see, can be like crafting a family heirloom. It's not just about the tangible assets, but the values, the stories, and the sense of unity that comes along with it. Imagine, each dollar saved, each property acquired, each investment made is a brick in the foundation of your family's legacy. It's about more than just money. It's about instilling a sense of pride in your lineage. It's about fostering unity through a shared purpose. It's about teaching your children the value of hard work, the importance of wise investments, and the satisfaction of seeing the fruits of their labor multiply. It's about creating a tapestry of financial wisdom and success that can be passed down through the generations. And so, as we build and maintain generational wealth, we are shaping our family's narrative and strengthening our bonds. Generational wealth is not just about money, it's about preserving your family's legacy. The seventh reason is philanthropy. Philanthropy, you see, is another beautiful aspect of generational wealth. It's not just about hoarding riches, but using them to make a difference. With a solid financial foundation, families can support causes that resonate with them, be it funding scholarships for promising students, backing community projects, or contributing to charities that tackle issues close to their hearts. It's about using wealth as a tool for positive change. Generational wealth can help you leave a mark on the world. The eighth reason is to mitigate economic inequalities. Now, this is a profound one. Historically, certain groups have faced systemic barriers to wealth accumulation. These barriers, often rooted in discriminatory practices, have created stark economic disparities that persist to this day. Building generational wealth is not just about creating a financial safety net for your descendants, but it can also be a step towards bridging these economic disparities. By providing future generations with the financial means to pursue education, own homes, and start businesses, we can help level the playing field. This isn't just about individual families, though. It's about communities, societies, and economies as a whole. When more people have access to wealth, we see increased economic stability, growth, and prosperity. The beauty of generational wealth is that it can empower marginalized communities, giving them a fair shot at success and the ability to break the cycle of poverty. With generational wealth, you can be a part of the solution to economic inequality. The ninth reason is access to better resources. With wealth, we unlock the door to superior healthcare and legal assistance, pillars of a secure life. It's not just about having top-notch doctors or lawyers at your disposal, but also about being able to afford the best treatments or legal advice when needed. Wealth also opens up access to other essential services, improving overall living conditions. So, wealth is not just about material possessions. It's about quality of life. And finally, the 10th reason is enhanced life experiences. Generational wealth opens doors to experiences that may have previously been just out of reach. From the thrill of exploring far-flung corners of the world, to the enriching journey of learning a new language, or even the simple joy of taking time off to cultivate personal interests. Life becomes a vibrant tapestry of experiences rather than a mere survival. And isn't that the true essence of living? Generational wealth can turn dreams into realities. In conclusion, the significance of building generational wealth cannot be overstated. It's about more than just amassing a fortune. Rather, it's about providing financial security for your descendants, enabling better educational opportunities, and facilitating home ownership. It's about empowering your loved ones to pursue entrepreneurial ventures without the fear of financial catastrophe. Generational wealth also helps to alleviate financial stress, fostering better mental and physical health. It instills a sense of pride and unity in your family and allows for contributions to philanthropic causes, thereby creating a lasting family legacy. It can help to bridge economic disparities, provide access to superior resources, and enhance life experiences, leading to a higher quality of life and longevity. In essence, generational wealth isn't just about money. It's about providing opportunities, ensuring well-being, and creating a legacy that benefits family members for decades to come. Remember, the best time to start building generational wealth was yesterday. The second best time is now.
Thank you for watching another dose of Empire. Your support means a lot. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.